who told you you cannot use one layer of ashoke material to tie head wrap? Follow me as I show you step by step on how to create a very simple one using one layer of ashoke. So I'm with my one layer of ashoke and I folded it into two equal parts like this. I'm going to trace everything down, making it equal. After then, I'm going to place it from the back of my head like this, gently and directing excess forward. Once I direct excess forward, I'll make sure it is well laid and well adjusted. Then it is time for me to knot it at the center. You can place your own sideways, halfway, or center. So if you notice, mine is not really directly at the center, it's at the side, but if you like, you can later shift it to the center or any side of your choice, in short. So after knotting it like that, what I'm going to do is, you see this other part left, I'll pick one up and stretch out the folded part. You know I folded it earlier. I'm going to stretch it out, then I'll start taking it round bit by bit till the fabric is being exhausted. But when it is exhausted, I'll make sure one angle is left out of the two. I'm going to pin one angle down like this, while the other is going to be standing like that. So after pinning down, I make sure it is well secured. Then I'll work with the other part, repeating the same process. Open it up, then take it round like I did to the other one. So I'm going to open it up and start taking it round bit by bit. So when it's about to finish, I'll also pin down one angle, leaving other angle standing. So I'm about to pin the angle down. So once I pin down, then I'll use my hand to adjust. As you tie, you know where to be adjusted, so you have to come back and adjust it. So I just try to pull down, adjust it, and I'll have the final look as soon as possible. So this is a quick one you can create with your one layer ashoke. So if you have one, or you are intending to buy one and you're like, what will you use one layer of ashoke to tie? Tell them you can make something out of one layer of ashoke. This is one of the style you can make out of one layer of ashoke. I have other style I do make out of one layer of ashoke. So if you want to see more of styles you can make with one layer of ashoke, you can join our community and watch out for next video. So guys, I'll be dropping here for today till we meet next time, where we'll be having another tutorial with another colorful head wrap material. So see you guys, bye.